Hello students, welcome to TS Quick Learn. The next exercise in class 10 is 3.2, and the first bit is the graphs of y is equals to p of x are given in the figure below for some polynomials p of x. In each case, find the number of zeros of p of x. So first one is graphical meaning of zeros of polynomial. First, if we want to understand what is the zeros of polynomial in graphical, first we'll understand the definition. In general, a polynomial p of x of degree n, the graph of y is equals to p of x intersects the x-axis at most n points. Therefore, a polynomial p of x of degree n has at most n zeros. For example, if we see, we'll see from the textbook. For the first one, the line is not intersecting at x-axis. So if we check, the number of zeros for this particular first graph is 0. So the graph 1 has no zeros because the graph is not intersecting at x-axis. Therefore, number of zeros will be 0. Or for the second one, the graph is intersecting at 1 point in x-axis. Therefore, the number of zeros is equals to 1. If we check the picture, so in the second graph, it is intersecting at only 1 point. So number of zeros is equals to 1. If we check the third graph, the graph is intersecting at x-axis at 3 points. So the number of zeros will be 3. In the fourth picture, we have at 2 points on the x-axis, the graph is intersecting. So the number of zeros will be 2. And in the fifth picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 points where the graph is intersecting the x-axis. So number of zeros will be 4. Similarly, if we check for the sixth picture, 1, 2, 3, so the graph is intersecting at 3 different points. So number of zeros will be 3. So I have given here, the graph is intersecting at 1 point in x-axis. Therefore, number of zeros is equals to 1. The graph is intersecting at 3 points. So on the x-axis. So therefore, number of zeros will be 3. For the fourth graph, we checked it is intersecting at 2 points. So it is 2. The graph is intersecting at 4 points in x-axis. So it will be p of x will be 4. Number of zeros of p of x will be 4. The graph is intersecting at 3 points in x-axis for the sixth one. Therefore, number of zeros will be 3.